Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be making shotgun shells. Not this kind though. Believe me, it's not loaded. We use safety around here at all times.
Awesome.
We're going to be making manicotti stuffed shells. Pork sausage, scallions, garlic, basil, cheddar cheese. This one is lump crab meat, mozzarella cheese, rigatoni cheese, garlic, portobello mushrooms, and I guess that's it. We're going to stuff these. We're going to set them in the refrigerator. Then we're going to stuff them. Then we're going to wrap them with bacon because the bacon's got to get nice and tight around this in the refrigerator. Once the bacon is done, this is done. Hey guys, how are you? Back again. All right, we got our manicotti stuffed with the pork, hot pork sausage with some scallions, garlic, and all that stuff you guys know. Some lump crab meats we've done. Whatever's left over with the stuffing, we made some crab balls and a few meatballs.
Sounds good.
So
what are you saying?
We're gonna wrap them in bacon now. Hey guys, what's up? Manicotti's wrapped in bacon. We used 7 pounds of bacon. Didn't have enough to finish wrapping, so I put them in Alfredo sauce to the leftovers. Made some nice big crab balls. This is all lump crab meat.
Those are huge.
And some meatballs out of the pork, hot pork. So we're gonna refrigerate this for about an hour, and then we're gonna cook them. Hey guys, it's an hour later after refrigeration. Throw them on the grill.
Austin, you shucking corn?
No, that's move.
Guys, we're checking in on them. Looking good.
Hey guys, what's up? All right, we're all done here. We got some Alfredos, some lump crab meat stuff. We got some crab meats, crab balls.
Looks good.
We got some extra sausages. This is all crab meat stuff, lump. This is all hot sausage. We're gonna have some corn on the cob, a couple more drinks, and to work tomorrow.
Oh, how was it?
Lip smacking good. Ask Jim though.
Hey Jim, how was it?
What? Not yet.
Awesome.
It was planking.